All right, this your homework for math. Okay, you have 2 pages. On the back side of this sheet, okay, it's just basic multiplication. But this right here says that you're rounding to the nearest 10. It says round each number to the nearest 10. Okay, I'm going to enlarge it so you can see it better. Okay, to the nearest 10. So letter A. Okay, what number is in the tens place? 6, because that's the one that says 60. I always like to put an O and a T at the top like that. Here, it would be an O, a T, and then an H, right? Because that would be hundreds. But we're not rounding to the nearest hundreds, we're rounding to the nearest 10. Okay? So look at 65. Look at them to the right. Remember, what does the 5 say? Well, we don't know. The chart that I just gave you. The chart that I just gave you. What does the 5 say to do? Add 1. Okay? Add 1. So I go back to my homework. Here's the tens place. Looking right to the right. The 5 says they add 1. I add 1 to the number that I'm either rounding up or down. Okay? So 1 plus 6 is 7. And replace the 5 with? That's what it says on the bottom of the card. 70. Because last time I checked, 60 is between what two numbers? 65 is between what two numbers? 60 and 70. And if it's in the middle, which is 65, you always round up. Yeah? Just by looking at this, 45 is rounded to what? 50. Because 45 is between 40 and 50, right? And we said that if it's in the middle, okay, like that would be 5, 15, okay, 25, 35, 45, 55, right? They're all in the middle, so that means I round up. So 45 is rounded to the nearest 10 would be 50. Okay. Now, letter C is a little different. There's 3 numbers there in letter D. Okay. Can somebody tell me what number is in the tens place?
No,
Well, let's see. Ones, tens, hundreds. So what number is in the tens place? 0. I like to put a little X underneath. Okay. Am I working with a 9 yet? No. No, I'm not working with a 9 yet, so that can go up there. Okay. And then look down to the right. Okay. What does the 2 say? You remember?
20.
Oh. Okay, hold on. Let's go back to the chart. Let's go back to the chart. Okay, go back to the chart. Here's 2. See? 2. And it tells me what to do. Stays the same. So do I have to change the 0?
No.
No, I don't. I don't have to change the 0. Okay? I don't have to change the 0. Whoops. I don't have to change the 0. Okay? And replace the 2 with a 0. In this case, 902 is it closest to 900 or 910?
910.
So 902 is it closest to 900 or 910? It's closest to 900. Okay. In some cases, it might have there might be 2 zeros. Problem D. I have 3 numbers, right? So what number's in the tens place? 2. But what's the middle one? Especially when it's a 3-digit number. I know that the middle one is in the tens place. So am I working with the hundreds yet? No. So then I correct that number down. Okay. Looking over to the right. What does the 3 say? Yes, stays the same. If I go back to my chart, okay, I'm gonna have to do that a couple times so you can remember. Okay. But here's the 3. Oh yeah, it says I need to stay the same. Okay. So then go back to my math homework. The math homework. Okay. So the 3 tells me that the 2 stays the same. So do I have to change it?
No.
No. And replace this 3 with zeros. That's what this says at the bottom of the card. Okay? All right. Let's look at this one right here. That one's fine. Oh, here we go. Let's do this one right here. Right here. Here you go. 68. Okay? What number is in the tens place? Well, tens place. Remember? I started with ones, tens, right? And then I have hundreds, which I don't have anything. And then it's thousands, which I don't have anything. I only have 2 digits, though. Like that. Now, what number's in the tens place? 6. Always start from the right to the left. Okay? And from the right to the left, it's ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. If you're not sure, write those out. Right above the number. Okay? So yes, the number in the tens place is 6. Looking over to the right, what does A say to do? Add 1, right? Yes. So again, it might take forever, but you'll get it. Okay. So the number right next to it is an 8. The 8 says to add 1. So I'm gonna go add 1. But hold on. Let's erase that. Okay. I'm gonna add 1. 1 to the number in the tens place, right? So what's 1 plus 6? 7. And replace the 8 with? Yeah. So if I round 68 to the nearest hundreds, to the nearest tens, I get
70.
70. Perfect. Look at letter U. It says Kelly has 24 golf balls. Round this number. So what number am I rounding? 245. Perfect. 245. Right? 245. Oops. It says round this number to the nearest what? 10. See? Round it to the nearest 10. This one too. Okay? So 245. What number is in the tens place? There you go. When it's a 3-digit number, right in the middle for the tens place. Am I working with a 2 yet?
No.
No, so then I can put that one down. Looking over to the right. What does the 5 say? Add 1, yes, yes. Remember, 45 is in the middle of 240 and 250, right? So if it's right in the middle, I add up. I round up. Okay, let's go back to my chart again. Always use the chart if you're not sure. And that's what you have. That's the chart that you have right there. So again, okay, 5 tells me to do what to the 4? Add 1. Excuse me, 5 tells me to do what to the 4? Add 1. Okay, add 1. So I'm going to take 245. Okay, the 2 stays the same because I'm not working with the hundreds yet. Okay, and then here's the tens place. Looking to the right. Again, what does the 5 say? Add 1. Add 1. Okay, so what's 1 plus 4? 1 plus 4? Okay, I'm just asking because some of you said 6. What's 1 plus 4? 5. And replace this 5 with? A 0. So if I round 245 to the nearest 10, Natalia, I get what? 250.